can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Algorand. Algorand is currently dumping to Goblin Town. Altcoins in general are not having a nice month. We're currently seeing altcoins dump across the board. Algorand is trading around the $0.16 level, still with a market cap of about $1.1 billion. Algorand is ranked 41 on coin market cap. We're breaking to the new year lows. Algorand is currently breaking down to new lows. We've seen Algorand gone back to the lowest we've traded in this bear market, currently trading around the $0.16 level. How low can we possibly go? Is the bear market bottom for Algorand in already? If we start dumping to Goblin Town, are we going to set new lows? We'll be taking a look at Algorand US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Algorand's performance against Bitcoin. It's currently at a new all-time low. We'll take a look at Algorand's performance against Ethereum, also currently at new all-time lows. And we'll look at Algorand's market cap sitting around the $1.1 billion level. If we go below $1 billion, how low can Algorand go in its first full crypto bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study, and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Altcoins over the last few weeks have been dumping to Goblin Town, and rightfully so. We're deep in the crypto bear market where altcoins are known to notoriously dump to Goblin Town. The last 1 week, I've seen a lot of altcoins having double-digit losses. Even though Algorand is down 6.8% in the last 1 week, on a monthly time frame, Algorand is down 24%. On a yearly time frame, Algorand is down 73.1%. The million-dollar question is, how low can Algorand possibly go in its first full crypto bear market? We saw Algorand trading around the $0.16 level in December of 2022. Starting the year on a very bright note, we saw Algorand rallying even to as high as $0.28. But that's the highest Algorand has been able to trade since we started 2023. We got rejected at that crucial level. We got rejected at the important support level that Algorand has been holding since June of 2022. We saw Algorand dumping below the $0.29 level in November of 2022, and since then, we have not been able to rally above that price point. In the last few weeks, we've seen Algorand dumping back to Goblin Town, dumping back to the yearly open. Algorand has lost around 45% of its value in the last 90 days. If we see more dumps for Algorand in the coming days and the coming weeks, we might just be dropping to new lows. The last time we saw Algorand trading this cheap was in March of 2020 after the COVID sell-off, and just one more support level for Algorand before we start dropping to new all-time lows. If we see Algorand dropping below the $0.1 level, guys, that will be Algorand officially entering new all-time lows on its door appearing. Now, Algorand had a wonderful bull run after it was launched in the middle of the previous bear market. We still saw it dumping to Goblin Town as expected. Algorand still went down by around 96% down to Goblin Town. But the bull market is where all altcoins pump to higher prices. The bull market is where we see everything in the market going to higher prices. And Algorand went from the $0.1 level where it was trading in March of 2020, rallying up to higher prices, even getting to as high as $2.45 by September of 2021, giving us a 2,200% pump to the upside. But the bear market is kind of different. We're going to be seeing dumps to the downside instead of pumps to the upside. But we know that we can't continue dumping to Goblin Town forever. At some point in time, the bottom is going to come in for Algorand. And if you're a long-term investor, if you're going to be staying in the crypto market till we see big pumps in the future, in the next bull market, you want to be accumulating altcoins when we're deep in the crypto bear market. If you're accumulating Algorand at this price region, if Algorand is going back to the previous all-time high, $1,000 invested in Algorand right now should return over $14,000 if we see Algorand going to new all-time highs in the future. Now, I believe we'll see Algorand pumping to higher prices, but we can easily still see a 40 or a 50% dump to Goblin Town for altcoins, knowing how volatile altcoins can be. The last time we saw Algorand trading around the $0.45 region was on the 3rd of November 2022, and as long as we're trading below the $0.44 region, guys, Algorand is still officially in the bear market, and big time whales in the market will still be accumulating more, getting ready for that wonderful bull run that might come when we see Bitcoin pumping to higher prices, when we also see Ethereum aggressively pumping to higher prices. If you take a look at Algorand's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum right now in the bear market, we're dumping aggressively to gobbling town against Ethereum. Algorand is currently at a new all-time low. Since when Algorand was launched in 2019, it has been steadily bleeding against Ethereum. Finally, we have seen it get to new all-time lows again in this bear market. In the coming days and the coming weeks, even though we might see Algorand pumping to higher prices, as long as we don't rally above where we were trading in February of 2023, we might just be setting another lower high. The trend in the market is still towards the downside. We can easily be dumping to gobbling town, but long-term investors are currently accumulating. Deep in bear markets, you see people running away from altcoins. Deep in bear markets, you will see people flipping their Bitcoin back into altcoins. You will see people flipping their Ethereum back into altcoins. A lot of people have been holding altcoins, seeing them bleed. And guys, the market is designed to get you selling when you're supposed to be buying and buying when you're supposed to be selling. And right now, Algorand is down more than 89% since when it topped in September of 2021 against Bitcoin. In the coming days and the coming weeks, don't be shocked to still see Algorand maybe lose more value against Bitcoin. But if you're a long-term investor, if you are going to be buying extreme fear in the market, planning to sell extreme greed, deep in the bear market is where you want to do majority of your business. But as you're accumulating the bear market, as these altcoins might be dumping to gobbling town, guys, remember not to go all in. It's always smart to have capital on the side in the bear market. We can easily be dropping aggressively to new all-time lows in the bear market. And if you don't have some capital on the side, you won't be able to take advantage of those opportunities when they come your way. If you take a look at some critical details about Algorand in the last 1 month, that's traded for as high as $0.23, also traded for as low as $0.16. Over 638,000 people have Algorand on their watch list on CoinMarketCap. With a maximum supply of 10 billion coins, over 7.2 billion of those coins are in circulation, representing over 72% of the total supply. If you're looking to accumulate more Algorand in the bear market as we're getting ready for another crypto bull run, you can get Algorand on your favorite crypto exchange: Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase Exchange, Kraken, BitTop, Bitfinex, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Algorand right there. But be very careful, guys. We're deep in the crypto bear market. If you take a look at Algorand's market cap, it's currently at the lowest we've seen it trade in this bear market. And if we lose this $1.1 billion level where we're currently trading, we might see Algorand's market cap start heading below $1 billion. Hopefully, we'll find support before we get to the $527 million level. But next logical support for Algorand in this bear market might come in around that $500 million region. From where Algorand is currently trading right now, let's not be shocked to see Algorand having maybe a 56% dump to gobbling town in the next few months, in the next few weeks. All coins can be very volatile, and this 56% dump can happen very, very quickly. Well, if it's 6% dump due to the price of Algorand from where we're currently trading, from the $0.16 level, we'll see Algorand going below 10 cents, maybe even getting to as low as 8 cents. That will be a new all-time low for Algorand. Remember, guys, there's no guarantees that all these price targets will hit. You're best served to continue accumulating the bear market. Nobody can guarantee the exact bottom. But just keep in mind that these altcoins can dump aggressively to gobbling town very, very quickly. We saw Algorand losing around 64% of its value from the 3rd of November 2022 till the end of November, and all it took was just 51 days. So be careful out there. Even though we're dumping to gobbling town, this is going to be an opportunity of a lifetime if you're going to be here for a very long time. So guys, tell me in the comment section, how low do you see Algorand going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you think we're going to be going to the previous all-time low where we got to in March of 2020? Do you think we're going to be going to the previous all-time low we got to in March of 2020? How low do you think Algorand can dump in this bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I go live and anytime I drop a new video. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.